Hey traders, Todd Gordon here with TradingAnalysis.com. This is going to be your free video update. We're doing this in the close of business here on Monday, November 30th. So let's get into Facebook. We're pulling back in a pretty good fourth wave zone here. I think the correction's about over in Facebook. I want to pinpoint in both price and time where the correction should likely end to help us get on board for the next move to the highs in Facebook. So here is the trade. I think we're in a fourth wave that matches up with the same in the same degree as wave 2 back here at the end of September. Okay, so we corrected into the end of September, moved higher, and here we are correcting into the end of November. I think ready to move higher in December. So first thing you want to do is let's study wave 3 verse 4. So you want to do this both in price and time. So using motive wave, right click, ratio analysis, this is going to be wave 3 price versus the wave 4, how far this pullback could last. Okay, so that's the first thing. So we just did distance traveled in wave 3 compared to a wave 4 pullback. $100 is possible, then $97 is possible. Let's do the same thing now in time. How much time did wave 3 consume, and how much will that impact the fourth wave correction? So same thing we're going to go over this time. We'll go to time analysis for V3. And these are a couple time targets, okay? So now we have wave 4 done compared to wave 3. Let's do wave 4 compared to wave 2. So now we're going to study price distance traveled in 2 and compare that to the would-be distance traveled here in wave 4. So we're going to pin these down and we're going to do the same thing, ratio analysis for V2. And now what we're starting to do is build a zone of support. I'm going to pin that down. Now let's do the exact same thing. Let's do the duration of wave 2 compared to how long wave 4 should last. And of course, we're comparing these by all of our Fibonacci multiples. Time analysis for V2. Oops, I forgot to pin it down. Time analysis for V3. You got to remember to pin them so they stay up. Okay, so perfect. So altogether, we have a lower, down here, this is where we'll look for time support. And then over here on the y-axis is price support. So what you do is basically look for the intersection of those different levels. So I'm going to go to commentary. Let's do a box. And I'm going to start to the 200, go out to the 100. Okay, so we have early time support November 24th as far out as December 14th. All right, then we'll just extend that up. And then all we're going to simply do here, guys, is just use the starting time and ending time and match up with the higher price support, the lower price support, which is right there. Let's put the fill in, and then I can even hide the Elliott wave count, and right there is your ideal price and time support for Facebook. So guys, I'm going to be looking for a pullback into 103.40, even as far down as 100. I would stop myself out below wave count validation, which is going to be 96.50, all based on the intersection of price and time. Upside target, depending on where wave 4 completes, would be a wave 5 move, and we'll have to assess it as the fifth wave unfolds to pinpoint, but we should be up around 115 to 120. All right, guys, that's how you do wave 4 price and time support in Facebook. This video did help, as I'm showing you here. Please hit that like button in the YouTube window. It helps the content rise up. There is so much good content on YouTube. I really appreciate that help because it helps us stick out, and it's a competitive environment. I think YouTube is more fun to watch than TV, to be honest with you. So I'm sure you feel the same way because that's where we're here on YouTube. So we'll leave it there, guys. I hope that helps, and we'll see you on the next video update.